Hey there, welcome back to the Book of Wealth. Today we're diving into the exciting world of investing in the stock market. If you're new to this, don't worry, we're starting right at the beginning with Investing 101. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are stocks? Well, think of stocks as ownership shares in a company. When you buy a stock, you become a partial owner of that company. Your potential profit comes from the company's growth and success. Now, with great power comes great responsibility. Investing involves risk, and that's where the concept of risk and reward comes into play. Higher risk investments tend to offer higher potential returns, but they also come with a greater chance of losing money. Lower risk investments usually have more stable returns but might not generate as much profit. One way to manage risk is through diversification. This means not putting all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different sectors or industries, you reduce the impact of poor performance from one investment on your overall portfolio. Now, let's talk about the magic of long-term investing. The stock market can be unpredictable in the short term, but historically, it has shown an upward trajectory over the long haul. Time in the market matters more than timing the market. The longer your money is invested, the more it benefits from compounding growth. If you're ready to dip your toes into investing, here are some practical tips for beginners. *****1. Educate yourself. ****Never stop learning. Research different companies, industries, and investment strategies. 2. Set clear goals. ****, define your financial goals and the timeline you're comfortable with. ***3. Start small. ***, begin with a sum you're willing to invest without affecting your day-to-day life. 4. Consider index funds. ***, these funds track a broad market index, offering instant diversification. 5. Stay informed. ***, keep an eye on market trends, economic news, and company performances. Remember, investing is a journey. Your initial investments might not make you an overnight millionaire, but consistent, informed decisions can significantly grow your wealth over time. And that's a wrap on Investing 101. By understanding the basics of stocks, risk and reward, diversification, and adopting a long-term perspective, you're well on your way to becoming a savvy investor. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more financial insights. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.